Today we'll show you how to record in OBS Studio. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe. Okay, first now go to search. After you are downloading OBS, go to search, put OBS Studio and click and open. This is OBS Studio. Okay guys? Okay, now finally we have, this is the planning of OBS. Just now go here. Okay, the first you can start here from start recording, but you can use what you have, what you want, the settings. Okay guys, you can choose the settings, the better. Okay, after this you can go here and here put the resolution of the video, and you can go now to general, and you can choose your language like French, English, Arabic, Dutch. You can choose what you have. Okay, after this, this is for stream, this is for settings, this is for recording guys. You can put this is settings, this is a high quality and high mp4 and AAC. You can choose like this, and this advanced, this is for photographing and video starting and like this. Okay guys, now just now goes to like here, start recording, and finally you have recording this. And okay, just don't forget like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.